well, si Welo, na parang hi, Welo, ganyan.
Oo nga eh.
It's a short term for, or parang mas magandang pakinggan na Welo. Well, Welo is a short term
Welo.
for, weather environment and hydromet and localized observation system. So, think of it as a mini Pag-asa on a localized scale. No? Parang,
Mm.
um, as we know, Pag-asa has been the national defense regarding with the typhoons, ma-heat severity, mga ganyan, heat index natin. So, Welo is parang the more localized version to it. So, usually nilalagay ito sa mga local government units. For example, we have sa Infanta Quezon, ganyan, hanggat Bulacan.
Mm.
In what we're seeing and what we're what's currently happening, hindi siya parang totoong red, 'di ba? Minsan parang ambon-ambon lang siya, tas pagkakaano natin,
malaki masyado yung sakop.
masyadong malaki yung sakop. No, ngayon, nagkakaroon ng, syempre, may mga lakads tayo for that night, mga business, kunwari. Usually, kunwari, pag Makati, hindi masyadong nagsususpend kasi, syempre, business district, unless sobrang lakas talaga ng typhoon or yung pang-ulan. So, with that, kasi, we aim na para localize, para syempre, continue operations for this one, continue operations sa lugar na yun. Same time, yung safety ng people na nandun.
Accurate pa rin.
Yes, very accurate.